Hey, Dotan here, and I want to share a remarkable new experimental observability tool that was just released for the OpenSearch ecosystem, Agent Health. If you're building AI agents in production right now, you know the problem. Your cluster looks healthy, you got 200 OK, but your agent just failed in silence. It called the wrong API, hallucinated the reasoning chain, ran 5 unnecessary tool calls, and charged you $4 just to tell your user, I can't help with that. Agent Health is built to close exactly these 3 gaps: the reasoning gap, the cost latency spiral, and the evaluation paradox. Now you can get the needed evaluation and observability at agent development time. And the way you start couldn't be simpler. One npx command, no installation. In under a minute, you have a full observability and evaluation UI running locally for your dev environment with a demo, travel planner agent already wired up so you can see it working before you touch your own code. On the observability side, you get OpenTelemetry-native tracing, timeline and flow views that show every tool call, every decision, every dollar spent. Standard OTel, no proprietary format, no login. On the evaluation side, you define your golden paths, what good looks like for your agent. And an LLM-judge that scores every run automatically, connected to your CI/CD pipeline to catch regressions before they hit production. It's agent-agnostic. It ships with 5 built-in connectors: AGUI streaming, REST, subprocess, Claude Code, and mock, and supports custom connectors for any framework. LangGraph, Crew AI, AutoGen, it doesn't matter what you're building with. Now, this is an experimental release. The API will evolve, and we want your feedback to shape it together, the open source way. That's exactly why now is the right time to try it. Link to the launch blog and the GitHub repo are in the comments. Try it, break it, and tell us what you need.